Get out of the car, get out of the car!
It's gonna be 5429.
Get out of the car!
Traveling at a slow speed.
Lower all the windows down!
Yeah. Before 10 advice, I'm gonna cut it off right now. We have the vehicle stop. We're on the boulevard in North Side. Commands now.
Okay, put your, okay. Okay.
So that's about one time, but you know.
Put your windows.
I don't trust the police.
Put your hands outside the vehicle. Put your hands outside the vehicle. Put your hands outside the vehicle. Put your hands outside the vehicle.
You understand me? So
Okay, okay.
Just riding around in cars. Y'all from California? Where are y'all from?
Colorado Beach Police, ma'am.
Ma'am, I need you to...
I've been living in Hollywood
Okay, ma'am.
since 2010. I haven't seen y'all in that.
Let me see your hands. Let me see both your hands. Let me see your hands. Okay, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see both of your hands. Pull both of your hands out.
Ma'am, just step out of the vehicle. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Okay.
All right. Hands up.
I've been in that.
All right. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. All right. You already put your pants up?
What is your problem?
You already put your pants up?
Yes.
All right. Can you please put your keys on top of your car? Listen up. Put your keys on top of your car. Put your keys on top of your car right now. We'll tell you a reason as soon as you step out of the car. Listen to me. Put your keys on top of your car right now. Put your keys on top of your car right now. Put your keys on top of your car. Do me a favor and put your keys. As soon as you get out, stop moving inside the car and put your keys on top of your car.
The vehicle! Step out the vehicle!
What is the reason for y'all stopping me? What is the reason?
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the
What
vehicle.
is the reason? Because I've been homeless. I've been
Okay, okay, let me see your hands. Step out. Step out. Step out.
20 out, 3 on 10 4.
Out of the car.
Oh, we're trying to get her out of front. She has the bag over her head. She has the bag over her head.
Stop reaching for stuff.
Out of the car. Stop reaching. Out of the car.
Reaching for something. Just watch out, guys. She has the bag over her head inside the car.
Ma'am.
Get out of the car. Just get out of the car. Stop reaching for stuff. Drop the bag! You need to drop the fucking bag! Get out of the car. Don't roll up the window!
Get up.
She's rolling up the windows.
Step out of the vehicle right now. Step out of the vehicle.
Okay, so I'm out my vehicle.
Okay. Face away from me.
What is the reason y'all arresting me?
Face that way. Face that way and I'll let you know.
Walk back.
Face that way and I'll let you know.
Walk back. Face that way.
I got it. Yo, come here.
Put your hands up for me, okay?
No, this is different direction.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, shut up! Ma'am, put your
Don't
hands
tell me
up.
shut
No,
up.
I'm telling them to shut up.
You're not telling me.
Put your
What
hands
is the
up.
reason why y'all doing this? If I'm laying in my
There is
car.
a traffic stop. They were trying to conduct a traffic stop and you were not listening to me.
A traffic stop when I'm
Put
parked
your
there the
hands
whole time
up.
doing an
Put
investigation.
your hands up.
I'm parked there the whole time.
Why are you arresting me?
Put your hands behind your back. Okay, so y'all arrested me for what
Here,
reason?
the car.
Y'all arrested
3 out, 3 on 10 4.
We're 10-4. We're trying to put
We're trying to put her in code.
Take a seat. Ma'am, take a seat. Ma'am, take a seat.
Oh, wait, I cannot take a... Do not push me down like that.
What take a seat? Don't you understand, huh?
What is your problem?
Stop resisting.
Huh?
Relax.
What is your
Relax.
problem?
There's no problem. Relax.
I've been sitting there doing an undercover investigation of a bunch of people who've been trying to kill people, and I've been in Hollandale. I have not had nobody arrest my hip. Pete London and other people? And y'all want to jack me up like this? Okay then.
What's your name, ma'am?
Yeah,
What's your name?
What do you mean? What's my name? My name is.
I need to.
Yes.
You heard me from the other side to pay attention to what I was saying.
I don't listen to me. When I see people
I told you, you already put your pants up. If you put your pants up, all right. And I let you put your pants up. But I also told you to stop reaching.
I'm wondering if this is a joke.
This is not a joke. It's not a joke. It's relax.
Okay, well these cuffs are too tight.
All right.
So if the cuffs are too tight, you have to loosen them a bit.
Are you gonna comply? Are you gonna comply?
Comply with what? What is the reason?
All right,
y'all
to
are
stop
stopping me?
resisting.
What
resisting.
happened?
All right, they're gonna tell you in just a second.
Okay, well please tell me. I'm being serious. I'm laying down and I'm asleep. So tell me what is happening.
Right? No citations. Let's go.
What is going on? Okay. Let me just call another detective.
Are you okay then?
Do you have ID on
I'm
you?
calling other. Yes, I have ID.
Where
on
is
me.
your ID?
My ID is in my bag and my purse.
Let's do something.
Okay.
Let's do something.
Okay?
Listen to me. Are you gonna listen to me?
Yeah, I'm listening
All
now.
right, listen. I'm gonna stand you up.
Okay,
I'm gonna
will you
adjust
stand
the
me-
cuff. I'm gonna adjust the cuff. I'm
Thank
gonna take
you.
out your book bag. All right. If you do
Let
so,
me
if you
go
do,
my book bag and
if you
purse.
do,
This is-
an,
I'm
if you do,
I'm
all
a
right.
detective
I understand.
also, and I'm a narc. You
All
know who I
right,
am.
good. If you do
Y'all been
something,
hearing it.
listen up.
That's me.
Are you listening
The
to what
person
I'm
with all
saying?
this
I'm gonna leave the
injustice.
book bag on. If you don't listen to me and you move while I'm taking off
This
your
must
handcuff,
be a back page, huh, sir? Huh?
I'm gonna have to throw you on the ground. You understand?
Why
And
you
I don't
wanna
want
throw
that.
me on the ground?
I'm saying if I take out
It
your
must be
handcuff,
fun, huh?
I'm not laughing. I'm not even making fun of you. I'm just telling you that I'm gonna adjust your cuff.
No, it's
if
probably
you do
because I
some
called somebody
movement,
disabled the other day when
all
I
right.
told him that
let's
I
get
had
up.
issues
Let's get
with
you
my
up.
car.
Let's go. Let's get you up. Come over here.
That's what it's about.
He's gonna adjust the cuff.
Just hold it. Yes.
Watch your back. Just bend over a little bit. There you go.
What I want you to do is to leave that hand right there, okay? Right.
When I'm done with all of this, I want the badge for everyone on this case.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
I'm taking this against the federal court.
All right.
And I'm serious. Serious. Why are you twisting up my wrist like this?
I know things in it.
You know, but you guys are pretty strong when you're
What did I
me, huh?
We're just holding. I told you to leave your hand right there. I told you to leave your hand right
Do
there.
you see me resisting anything? Because I want to
You're
get in
not.
my
You're
car
not right
and get
now.
out of here.
You're not
I'm
right
tired of y'all taking all of my
You're not right now.
possessions. Okay? I'm sick of it. And that's my book sack. That goes with me wherever I go. So if y'all decide that y'all want to take me to jail to eat for free, then it's going with me.
We're gonna take it with you. All right.
Understand? But I have no reason for an arrest.
Sit right here, bro.
I need to see my book sack because last time I had things stolen from myself.
Because we're not gonna show you.
I'm good to start, right? Do you have anything that's gonna prick me or poke me or anything like that? Any weapons?
I have
On you.
No.
Okay, I have to just pat you down real quick, okay? That's why I'm doing it. Okay? You have something in the car you wanted to tell me about?
No.
Okay. She's good to go in there? Come, let's walk over here.
Where am I going?
Patrol car.
I need my book sack.
You're gonna get it.
Come
Come on.
with you.
Come on. Let's go. Let's
Go
go.
with me.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Where's my keys for my car?
Come on. I gotta see somebody quick.
Why are y'all arresting me? Thank you. Can you get my book sack? Can you get my book sack? I'm requesting my book sack.
All right, you're gonna get it. Come on. Go inside. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Somebody shut that
Shut
door.
that. All right.
Where's my car going? Because I was told that my car can be parked here and I was supposed to go over to that next location. Is this a shakedown because y'all not getting paid with these new changes?
Walk, ma'am.
Or are you treating
Walk.
me do not yuck me up.
Then walk.
Because it's my rights to ask questions.
You can ask as many questions as you want as you walk.
My car better not be going to an impound because that is a fully paid off vehicle with all my personal belongings. And it's a federal offense to take my personal belongings at this point. So you can stay, you guys can stay playing tough with these handcuffs. I'm sick of this shit.
You can double check, but it doesn't hurt.
No, it's the truth. If y'all don't know, if y'all are new with this. It's a federal offense to touch my stuff and take them anywhere. So it better be parked over here by the chamber the same way they told me if anything happened to my vehicle, I could drive the chamber bus. Because I used to be on the board and I assisted with the last shakedown what happened with Hollandale. From California to here.
Do me a favor, open your feet up a little bit wider.
I could be treated with some more respect. So all of my stuff better come this way.
You have any piercings anywhere? Did you understand the question that was asked? Do you have any piercings anywhere?
I'm not answering y'all questions until y'all tell me why I'm being arrested. So if you don't see any piercings, then that means there's no piercing.
When I take this hand, you put it on top of your hand.
What?
When I take this hand off, put it on top of your hand. Walk forward. Walk.